In this video, I want to show you how to connect your HP Smart Tank printer using a USB cable to your computer. Could be a Mac or PC. In this instance, I'll use my PC Windows computer. So let's get started right away. In the box with the printer, they don't include this cable anymore. I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon so you can purchase one if you don't have one. Step number 1 is to go on the back of the printer and connect this end of the cable. Usually the USB port will be located on the left side over here. So let me connect it. Perfect. Now it's time to connect the other end of this cable in your computer. So I'll connect it right over here in my PC. Now on your computer, what I suggest is that you go ahead and open any file you wish to print, especially if it's a PC computer. So let's say I will open a PDF file that I have in this folder. Could be a picture, could also be a web page, doesn't matter. And I'll click on the print icon over here. Then under printer, I'll click. Now I have many printers. So go down and one of them should be the HP Smart Tank something. This printer is the HP Smart Tank 5103. But on your computer, if you have the same, it will be the 5100 series. Usually the last numbers doesn't count. So as you see here, I can see HP Smart Tank 5100 series. Now, if you don't see your printer, it means that you need to manually install the driver, and I will show you how, okay, in just a few seconds. So let me just finish over here. So once you find the printer, make sure these settings are okay with you. So how many pages you want, do you want it in black and white and color, stuff of this nature, and press the print button. It's quite easy once the printer is able to get detected by the computer. Under 13 seconds, the print should also come out of the printer. So let's wait a few more seconds. And here we go. We got our print out. Now, let me show you how to install or at least find the driver that you need on your computer if this didn't succeed for you. Open Google and you simply have to type HP Smart Tank and then the number of your model. Again, in my case, it's the 5103. Maybe you have a different one. So type that number over here, 5103, and then type driver. Search for this, and one of the top options over here, top answers of Google, should be the official HP support website. Tap on it, and this is where you'll need to go to download the driver. So once you're here, go down the page. Okay, whatever. Go down. And you're going to see HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software. This is the one that you need. It's the easiest to use. So you're going to go ahead, download it, install it, and then do what I showed you previously, and it should work. Now, if you want to scan and get the results from your HP Smart Tank directly to your computer, on the PC, you simply have to go on the search bar and type scan. It will show you the scan app that most PC comes included, and you just have to open it. If you don't have the scan app, go on the Microsoft Store. It's a free app made by Microsoft, so you don't have to worry. Download it, and it will look just like this. Go on the left side, and we need to select as a scanner or HP printer. Okay, here I have HP. If you just see HP, tap on HP. Select the file type you want. If you click on show more, you'll be able to select a few more options where the file will get saved, and then press the scan button, and the scan will automatically begin. Now, if you don't know how to put your paper over here, maybe it's the first time you're using a scanner, I'll show you in just a few seconds. Once this is done scanning, okay, it got scanned and I got a confirmation here. Scan was saved to desktop and I can view it. So how do you put your paper? Well, it's very easy. Put it facing down, and depending which HP SmartTank printer you have, you need to check for this corner over here that has this symbol. You see, that's the only corner that has that symbol. This corner simply means that you need to place your paper and that the corner of the paper needs to touch the corner of the scanner that has the symbol. Okay, bring both together. And this is how you know that your paper is aligned. So this is about it. This is how you connect your HP SmartTank to your computer using a USB cable and not having to worry about the Wi-Fi connection. If you found this video helpful, all I ask you is to comment down below, like, subscribe, and if you need some ink for your HP SmartTank or even some paper, check my Amazon links. Every time you purchase through them, I get a very small commission and it's helping my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.